Good morning, students. Children, today we will be discussing our question paper which you have taken the recent test of term 2. That question paper we are going to discuss today. So the first question, if I see the first question in this paper, the first question is question 1. You have silver chloride exposed to sunlight gives silver plus chlorine. This is the reaction, this is the word equation given in your paper, and the question which is asked to you on this is, the first question is, you have to tell the balanced equation for this. So the balanced equation you will write, silver chloride is AgCl, 2AgCl when exposed to sunlight will give 2Ag plus Cl2. So this is the answer for the first part of the question 1, and then the second part of the question says what type of reaction is it? So it is a decomposition reaction. In that you can specify that it is decomposition due to sunlight, so you can call it as photochemical decomposition. So decomposition reaction is the answer for the second part. Decomposition is due to sunlight. Then the third part of the question says, what precaution is taken while storing this compound silver chloride? So I told you the silver compounds, when they are exposed to sunlight, they can decompose. So they are prevented from getting exposed to sunlight. How? By keeping them in dark colored bottles. So what can be your answer? Precaution is that the compound silver chloride should be stored in dark colored bottles. So this is the answer for this question number 1, all the 3 parts. Now if we say the question number 2, let us see question number 2. Question number 2 says, formula, you have to correct. There are certain terms given which you have to correct. Like the first is question 2, A part. You have to correct what sentence? Formula of magnesium nitride is, formula of magnesium nitride is, it's given in the question, it is MgNO2. So MgNO2 is to be corrected. This only is wrong in this. What are you going to write? Mg3N2. Formula for magnesium nitride is Mg3N2. Now the next question is, B part in this is, in an exothermic reaction, heat is absorbed. So this is wrong in this. Absorbed you will remove and you will write evolved. Heat is evolved in exothermic reactions. Then C part of the question 2 is, thermal decomposition of calcium hydroxide gives, thermal decomposition of calcium hydroxide gives calcium oxide and oxygen. So what is wrong in this? Oxygen is wrong. In place of oxygen you will write water vapor is the correct answer. So like this you will remove these specific terms which are wrong, and you will correct the statement. Then the next question, question number 3 is, if you say, question number 3 is related to copper sulfate and zinc. So there is a reaction. They are telling you that copper sulfate solution is made to react with zinc. So let us see what will happen in this reaction. Zinc sulfate will be formed and copper will be formed. Now the question which is asked in this is, first question is, you have to give 2 observations in this reaction. So 2 observations are what? This copper sulfate solution is blue in color, but when it reacts with zinc, the blue color will fade away and zinc sulfate will be formed, because copper cupric ions, Cu2 plus ions, are replaced by Zn. So the blue color is lost. So you will, first observation will be blue color of copper sulfate fades away. Fades away. And second observation in this you can write is, reddish brown copper is deposited at the bottom. Reddish brown copper is deposited. So these are the 2 observations which you have to mention in this. Then second part of this question says, what type of reaction is this? So this is a displacement reaction. So these are the 3 questions. In the next video, I will be discussing the next questions of the paper.